Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nubia Pad 3D to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nubia. Over here. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor, which is in this case our Android device. Following that, use all of those categories at the top of Nubia to pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, you can pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Tap on while using the app in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!